We are on the another episode of Powering Productivity, and today I'm having an young technocrat, Ujjwal, the CTO of TSi Power, as our guest. Powering Productivity is an initiative which is a collaboration between Machine Maker and TSi Power, where we would like to bring the awareness about the importance of power in manufacturing. So, being 7 years in US, part of the development today, being the CTO of TSi Power in India. For you, what power means? The power, the energy.
First, it's my pleasure to be on this episode with you. So thank you for that. Thank you for inviting me. Power, first thing that comes to my mind is something that energizes a machine. It's it's if there's no power, you cannot start a machine or start anything in this 21st century machines. So that's, I would say, is the definition of power.
You worked in US.
Yes.
You have seen how that market reacts.
Yep.
You are an Indian.
Yep.
And now you make products for the Indian market.
Yep.
What is the major difference of power in US and India?
I think the biggest difference is that the power grid in the US is very stable. So the same product, so the company TSi USA started in 1999, and they were the ones who first came up with the idea to make a voltage regulator product. So this is technology from the US. But since the power is really stable in the US, they haven't sold much of VRP products over there. The TSi India company was started in 2011, and this product, the technology was transferred from the US company to the Indian company. Now, as you are aware, that the power grid in India is not the best. And as more renewable sources like solar and wind is coming, it's making the grid even more unstable. So hence, this product is required at CNC machines, robotics, any machines, any sophisticated machines nowadays, they have a lot of electronics that needs a regulated voltage to operate. Hence, our product is a perfect match for them.
A voltage regulator is a voltage regulator.
Yep.
How much research and development is important in this particular segment?
See, I mean, what we offer is something innovative to begin with. There's traditional technologies like servo, which has dominated the market from the 60s. But with the growth of electronics in almost every machines, there's a demand for something even better than servo, because servo corrects the voltage and it takes from half a second to 2 seconds. But it's a long time for these sophisticated machines that are in the market nowadays. So what we offer is we correct the voltage in 20 milliseconds, and that's the response time, and that's very fast. And that's why our product is a hit, and it's an IGBT-based static voltage stabilizer. So it has less of maintenance parts. It's more electronics, less mechanical parts. So that's why we are the pioneer in India and actually in the globe.
You have so many solutions. You have so many products actually.
Yep.
How these solutions, how these products, please.
Yep. Thank you.
Make a difference in the shop floor of a customer.
So see, we have cracked almost all the automobile businesses, starting with Bosch, Honda, Hyundai, Toyota, and you just name it. So previously they used to use the traditional technology, traditional products like servo, and after having conversations with them and even providing our product as a 1 month or 3 month trial period, because if you need to convince a customer, you really have to showcase your product first, and change is not easy for everyone. People resist change, so they were like, yeah, we have troubles and problems with servo, and this static voltage regulator, your product, TSi's product, is kind of new. So they were resisting to try a new product. So we were like, okay, no questions asked, we just try this. So they tried it, and they were able to see the difference in the sense that there was the voltage they had for their robots was precise. There was less downtime, so their production went up. So that's one case study where I can say, and there's thousands more. We have very happy customers, and they're like, this product is going to stay for a long time. So
See, one thing what we have seen is, which I also advocate to the Indian market, is that we need to uh, pay, or we need to give a good value to the Indian innovations.
Yep.
If you don't give the right price, it is not about the product, the weight, what you are taking. It is an innovation.
Yep.
And you need to invest a lot of money more
Yep.
for R&D.
Yeah.
Because every time whenever you are putting R&D, it is not like that tomorrow a new product
Yep.
comes. It is after hundreds of failures we are able to bring
Yep.
one product which can make a big change.
Yep.
TSi is already an established player, and I believe there are a lot of responsibility is on your head, being a
Yep.
CTO, on
Yep.
bringing new changes which can benefit the customer.
Yep.
How challenging is research and development
Yep.
in Indian context?
See, our R&D team, we have a total of 3 people, well, actually 4 and 5 people now. We love challenges. We love to take the challenges because it excites us to come to work and work on really exciting stuff and new projects. So this is our process, what we follow. So any new product, if we need to work on, before even starting to work on, we need to get the field data. If there's a demand for it. So we talk to customers, we talk to our channel partners, and there has been many cases where the customers and the channel partners, they came up to us and they were like, hey, you should do this, you should come up with this new product, or add this to your existing product. So, and then we kind of do a case study with them, and then we realize, okay, there's a huge market for it. So then we start doing the R&D on that. And then we come up with the first iteration, prototype it, we test it, and sometimes a new product, before it's launched, there's like multiple iterations for it. And finally, before the launch, we actually do laboratory tests and also field tests, and not just for 1 week or 2 weeks. It's going to be for multiple months, and then we gather data. And based on the data, if we have to make any changes, we make the changes. And if it's good to go, then we're ready for a launch. So this is the cycle of R&D that we follow for coming up with a new product.
I already seen the Raptor Eye,
Yep.
where, as you told, the data we
Yep.
can see. And even in Achal, I have seen that people are able to see what is there inside. You see the voltage, everything they can see. So can we expect an Industry 4.0, the interactive data cloud product from?
We are already kind of working on it.
Okay.
So, we did take up this project. We are in the age where IoT is something very important. Data is money, they call it. So we need to, the more data we have about the customer side, about VRP, we'll learn from it, and then we know what the challenges are at the site, and we can make changes accordingly to our product so that our product is like 100% reliable.
Ujjwal, I believe it is you who need more power so that the Indian manufacturing or the global manufacturing can get more and more productivity through new innovations. We wish you all the very best.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me.
Yeah.